Good morning, trigonometry. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Just two things this week. It's Easter break for us. We have like a long weekend starting on Friday, so you have a little bit of a lighter load this week. There are two things that you need to do. One, you need to complete 5 hours in ALEKS, not 6. So just 5 this week. You'll notice that in your ALEKS as well. And then the goal is to have at least 77 topics completed in your PI by the end of the week. Talking to some of you guys recently, it seems like topics are getting really hard at this point. That's normal. In this Trig class, there are some topics that are just really hard. Be sure to check out those topic help videos in Moodle, but if you're still stuck, let me know, and let's set up a time to meet in Zoom and just work on those topics together. So let me know. I'd be happy to work with you. Get a hold of me via email or Remind, and let's get those topics done. Have a great week.